This is the follow-up to the red dash restoration. Got it painted. You can see a little bit of unevenness in there, but I was very impressed with the way the paint went down. These things appear to actually be in the plastic, and I really don't know how to deal with that. I don't really want to take all this back off. It's not visible except in that angle. I've got it next to this good black OEM dash, and you can see the SEM Landau Black does a great job. Got all that stripped. You saw the video earlier with the mold and everything in it. Got all of that stripped, and then put the primer on it that they recommended, the plastic adhesion promoter, and then put the SEM on it. It worked great. You can see on the stock dash, even it's got some unevenness that shows up here. So I'm really just not concerned about any of that. I think it's going to look great in the car, and I hope to get it in there shortly. But this stuff feels good, and this dash has never felt good from day one since we bought the car. So this is a win.